As I was having my banana and toast this morning, I was thinking about this constant debate over which is the most iconic JDM classic out there. Is it the Mazda RX-7? Could it possibly be the R34 GTR? Maybe even the Mark IV Supra? But with these cars becoming more expensive, rare and collectible, I thought to myself, is there a more usable, everyday JDM classic? And I think there is. And I have a contender right here, the Nissan Skyline R34 GTT. So, come with me till we have a look. Godzilla's little brother, 6-cylinder, 2.5 litre, single turbo RB25 finished in Sonic Silver, dressed up like a GTR. Now, I want to show you why this is a real contender. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Now, I don't think this is any less of a car than the GTR. It comes from the same family tree. So it's still a real driver's car. It's got NISMO suspension, a full set of Pirelli P1s, and it really feels like you're stuck to the road. And it's not slow either. I mentioned that it's on the Lucky Day website. For only $9.97, you could own this proper JDM classic. So get on over and get them bought.